Hello students, already I have signed part 1 of the chapter number 4, Landscape of the Soul. Today I am going to start part number 2 of this chapter. Already I have told you that here we are having two parts of this chapter. First part is of Landscape of the Soul, in which we are getting that what kind of paintings are there. So two types of paintings are there: inside, deep meaning painting, and outsider art that can attract our eyes. So two basic part and two basic paintings are there in first part. First one is related to China and second one is related to Europe. So in that we are having two of the stories. Okay. So here we are having the second part, in which here we have given the title Getting Inside Outsider Art. This is written by, at last you have given Brinda Suri. That article has given into the year of 2005 and in the newspaper Hindustan Times. What actually this article wanted to tell us, what this article is about. Let us see. The second part, Getting Inside Outside Art. Let us see what article is actually telling to us. When French painter Jean Dubuffet mooted the concept art brut in the 1940s. Actually here you have given the name of art brut. Don't forget these art. Okay. That he has given into 1940s. And the art of the untrained visionary was of minority interest. See, about these art, people are not having any interest. Okay, so minor interest was there in people. From its almost veiled beginnings means that beginning is not so good. Very beginning, outsider art has gradually become the fastest growing area of interest in contemporary art internationally. But afterward, I don't know that they also don't know what happened, and it was becoming the growing area, the fastest growing area of interest about this painting and contemporary art internationally. This genre means this type is described as the art of those who have no right to be artists. This art is about the people who are not having any right to become himself or herself artist, as they have received no formal training. See, if they are not having any training, then definitely they can't be the artist. But here what they have told, yet show talent. But if they have not having any training, but still some of the people, not some of the, many of the people are there in the world, they can show their talent to us. Artistic inside, they are having the artistic feeling from inside. They are having, by born they are having this talent. God has given this talent to them. Their works are a stimulating. Here stimulating means encouraging. Here stimulating. Stimulating means encouraging. So their work is encouraging. That work encourages someone else also. Stimulating contrast to a lot of mainstream offering. Mainstream means here normal. Mainstream here means normal. Normal offering they have got from the people to do art. Around the time of Dubuffet was propounding. Here propounding means suggesting. Here propounding means suggesting. Propounding means suggesting. His concept in India, an untutored genius was creating paradise. He has given us the talent. Talent by the people who are not having formal training. The people who are not having tutored by anyone, but still they can show us the talent. They can be a beautiful artist. And years ago, the little patch of jungle that he began clearing to make himself many years ago he has started to do painting on what? A little patch of jungle, clearing to make himself a garden. He wanted to clear out the jungle, and instead of jungle he wanted to make one garden over there, sculpted with stone and recycled the material is known to the world today as the rock garden at Chandigarh. In Chandigarh that garden was that today also, that garden in which he has created some man, and in that man he has used some recycled material, through which he has created garden, and that garden was at Chandigarh today. So instead of jungle he has created one garden. It's here you have given that garden on the page number 37, and title also here you have given that a rock garden sculpture. When sculpture that was made up of stone and of broken bangles by Nekchand. Nekchand has made that sculpture. It's 80-year-old creator. Whatever the sculpture has made, the creator was there. 80 years old. Nekchand is now hailed as India's biggest contributor to outsider art. He was the famous artist who has given the title of outsider art. The 50th issue spring 2005 of Raw Vision, a UK-based magazine pioneer in outsider art publications. In UK-based magazine, in UK, the magazine was there in which the outsider art was mentioned. Publications, features, Nekchand. In that newspaper also our Nekchand's name was there. And his rock garden sculpture, who has given the name Women by the Waterfall. That garden has given the name Women by the Waterfall. On his anniversary issues cover. One of the newspaper has given the book title cover page as The Women by the Waterfall on his first anniversary. And the notion of the art brut and raw art. Art brut and second one is raw art. This is the types of art. Okay. Raw art was of work that were in their raw state as regard cultural and artistic influences. Here they are having cultural and artistic influences. You can see culture over there, you can see art over there. That art is called art brut and raw art. Here also you can see that anything and everything from a tin to a sink to a broken down car could be a material for a work of art. From any of the wastage material, if you are creating something, that is called art. So artist has anything or everything. You can give them any of the rough material, any of the wastage material, they can create something innovative, that is called art. So here you have given the broken down car example from which the artist can do their work. Something Nekchand has taken to design. Here you have given the word design. Design means extreme. Here you have given the word design. Design means extreme. Extreme. Heights. Recognizing his art as an outsiding testimony. Testimony here means evidence. Here you have given the word testimony. What does it mean? Testimony means evidence. The second word also you can write down proof. Clear? So here you have given the testimony of the difference a single man can make when he lives his dream. Artists was having their own dream. They wanted to do, they wanted to innovate, they wanted to explore something new that none of the person can do before. They are having their own dreams. The Swiss Commission for UNESCO will be honoring him by way of European exposition of his work. See, UNESCO has given or praised his work as they have given the exposition of his work and the 5-month interactive show. They have given the 5-month interactive show in which Realm of Nekchand, the show name was Realm of Nekchand, beginning October, that will be begin by October month. We have that leading museum in Switzerland. That will be held in Switzerland, Belgium, France and Italy. 5-month course would be there in which Nekchand taught another person how to do art brut and raw art. So this Belgium, France and Italy. The biggest reward is walking through the garden. The biggest reward he has got from that garden he has created in Chandigarh. Sing. People enjoy my creation. Obviously, nature, whatever creation he has done, people was literally, we can see, happy through their art. Nature says, here nature says that my creation has given happiness to the people and they can see the extreme happiness to my art. These articles written by Brenda Suri in the newspaper Hindustan Times in the year 2005 and date you have given 28 August. So in short here we have given the importance of painting and importance of art. So I hope you can understand this chapter landscape of the soul. Whatever still you are having query you can ask me into the live session and definitely we will interact with each other into the live session. You can ask me your doubts over there. PDF you will get soon about this chapter and you will now try to do your knowledge.